Yeah. Yeah. Well, like I said, I didn't like that.
Everybody else wants to get bigger ones. I wanted to get rid of them.
Bigger what?
Made it hard for riding.
For breast reduction.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
I went down 5 cup sizes.
Wow.
All my shirts fit now.
I can't imagine. I never had that problem.
So, they said once you quit nursing your kids that it'll all go away. It didn't. Okay, so she's got a neck rein. I usually ride with my reins crossed over, but you can ride like this.
Right.
Totally up to you. I use legs on my horses, the same as you do on any horse. Going this way, I use this leg. This way, this leg. I got a couple of humps in here from when I plowed it in the winter to use it. On the trail, she's got a pretty good walk. She doesn't generally lead, but she can. I've been doing a lot of training about
Guys, listen.
so she's pretty good about going over obstacles.
That's great. I was kind of hoping you could show me some stuff like that. That's great. Will she walk up like on this board, or is that not safe?
I just put the top one on it,
Oh, okay.
so it's not attached yet because they broke through it.
Okay.
It's her bridge.
But she crosses over logs and things too. Oh, good. Yeah.
Let's not go to our knees today.
Oh, there she goes.
She's got a bigger trot, and she's also got a jog trot. And again, she hasn't been really worked a lot in the arena.
Yeah, she's not. I mean, you said you're gonna be able to tell she doesn't like it, but she's okay.
I'll just get a little eerie on it. Take her ears back a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Not that far.
Right.
That's all the problem is, her ears.
Natural head stud, I haven't done anything with it. She doesn't really.
Does she know how to back up?
Oh yeah. She needs a little work on giving her head with it, which I haven't really done the Pirelli too much with it, so she's got more of the open mouth backup.
Have you discovered any of her other talents? Like, can she side pass or anything like that?
She side passes, opens her gates,
She does, huh?
closes gates. She's fine.
Can you show a little bit of the side passing?
I can wake her up. I almost need her.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
She's fine.
Yeah.
You're not gonna have any problems with her. If I can get a scanner out of her. That's not even the right thing. We're gonna take it. Come on.
That looks good. I was thinking that was going to be harder to get.
That's always fun playing around with it. Yeah.
She doesn't get to do it, but that'll come.
Like I said, it takes a little bit to get going.
That'll look good. You know, I thought that was